Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty neat little pattern that almost anybody could draw and learn a few tricks from. We're just going to take that out of the way. I'm going to take a rectangle, doesn't really matter what size, and I'm just going to put like 5-inch radiuses on it. I am going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour the one inside one time. I am going to take both those and go up to Object and break the contour apart. Now I'm going to take both those lines and I'm going to make them something other, thick. Let's say 100 points. You know what? I'm going to make it a little thicker, make it 200 points. Then I'm going to go to Object and convert those outlines to an object. And then when I do that, I can left click, right click. Here's kind of the key or the easiest part for me to do is turn it to a 45 or 90 degree angle, 90 degree angle. And just kind of follow along this scale. We want half of it to cut out. So if you start in the center of the page, and this is one of the reasons I started the center of the page, take a 2-point line and draw a line, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular, and then rotate it 45 degrees and hit P. There's your obstacle that you want to keep. We're going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete all that. Now we can take our line away. I am going to group this together, Control G, and then we need to Control D and make a duplicate of it. Just kind of move it out of the way, and we need to do a couple of flips to it, and you're still going to have to rotate it like 270 degrees. Now flip it the other way and flip it the other way. I just kind of messed up there. And then I really shouldn't have taken away our 2-point line. Okay, these are not grouped together for some reason. Control G to group them and go right up there. And now if I would have left my 2-point line, but it's easily just to draw a line from there, draw a line from that corner to that corner. And then follow along, with, print mine out if you want to make it. And we need to cut with the virtual segment delete key, cut that line. This goes under, this goes over, so we want to cut that line. That goes under, so this will go, and then cut that line. This will go over, so cut that line. This goes under, this goes over. For some reason, it's not cutting the lines very good. This goes through, this goes this way, and then this goes here. So it'd be like a fold. So all of them are the same. I need to cut this line right here, so this goes through. This one goes over. And when I say over, it looks like it's going underneath and then over the other one. Then I find it easier to nudge the colors out of the way for a couple of reasons. We're going to go with blue or this purple, and I'm going to nudge, 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 nudge. The reason for that, and I'll show you just in a second. Now we're going to take the Smart Fill tool. Let's use red this time. Nudge it down, nudge it down, down, down. The reason I nudged is because if you put lines on it now, the lines won't be interfering. Let's make it something other than a hairline. And then your cross lines that you cut out will not be interfering. Then we can move this out of the way completely, nudge this back up, nudge this over, and there you have it. If I would have done the lines, you would see some cross lines that we don't want to get. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.